Greetings and welcome back to another captivating episode of the Lily Lectures. I am your guide, William Lilly, and today we embark on a journey that answers a lady's most pressing question. When will my imprisoned husband be released? Now let's look into what the chart can tell us. The chart was cast for the 29th of October 1645 at 6:53 p.m. in London, England. This question belongs to the 12th house. Jupiter, the lord of the 7th house, represents the husband of the querent. Jupiter is retrograde in the sign of Cancer and recently was in trine with the Sun. The Moon is applying to a sextile aspect with retrograde Saturn and then trines with Jupiter with powerful reception. Based on these astrological factors, I didn't need to provide a lengthy explanation. I simply told the lady that she need not seek help from influential individuals such as the king for her husband's release. I assured her that I had a strong conviction that he either was already or would be discharged from imprisonment within 3 days. I mentioned that a commanding figure associated with the Sun would be instrumental in his release and would provide him with the necessary support. The outcome proved the accuracy of my prediction, as the husband was indeed released on the same day the question was asked. The garrison where he was held was captured on that day by an honest Parliament colonel, who generously provided him with financial assistance and all other necessary provisions. The retrograde Jupiter, exalted in a movable sign and in a harmonious trine with the Sun, indicated a relatively short period of imprisonment, especially considering that the Sun is the lord of the 4th house, and the trine aspect was perfect. So there you have it, a celestial puzzle unraveled, a lady's heart set at ease, and a husband's freedom secured, all thanks to the guidance of the stars. As always, I'm delighted to share these fascinating astrological stories with you. If you have your own questions or curiosities, don't hesitate to share them in the comments. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to the Lily Lectures for more enchanting insights from my book, Christian Astrology. Until next time, may the stars guide you on your path, and may your questions find their answers in the cosmos. I am William Lilly, and this is Christian Astrology.